Transferring assets to a Morgan Stanley Roth IRA can be a straightforward process if you follow the correct steps. To begin, it is essential to understand what a Roth IRA is and how it works. A Roth individual retirement account allows you to contribute after tax dollars, which can then grow tax-free and be withdrawn tax-free in retirement. The first step in transferring assets to a Morgan Stanley Roth IRA is to open a Roth IRA account. With Morgan Stanley, you can do this by visiting their website or by contacting a Morgan Stanley financial advisor. You will need to provide personal and financial information to complete the application process. Once your account is open, you can initiate the transfer process. You can transfer assets from an existing IRA or employer-sponsored retirement plan, such as a 401k. To do this, you will need to contact the custodian of your existing account and request a transfer form. Complete the form and return it to the custodian, who will then transfer the assets to your Morgan Stanley Roth IRA. It is crucial to ensure that the transfer is a direct rollover, meaning the assets are transferred directly from the custodian of your existing account to Morgan Stanley. This will help you avoid any potential taxes or penalties. You can also consider a trustee-to-trustee transfer, which allows you to transfer assets from one retirement account to another without incurring taxes or penalties. When transferring assets, it is essential to consider the type of assets you are transferring. You can transfer cash, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to your Morgan Stanley Roth IRA. However, it is best to consult with a financial advisor to determine the best strategy for your individual circumstances. It is also important to note that there may be fees associated with transferring assets to a Morgan Stanley Roth IRA. These fees can include transfer fees, maintenance fees, and management fees. Be sure to review the fee schedule before initiating the transfer process. In conclusion, transferring assets to a Morgan Stanley Roth IRA can be a simple process if you follow the correct steps. It is essential to understand the rules and regulations surrounding Roth IRAs and to consider your individual financial circumstances before making a transfer. By doing so, you can ensure a smooth transfer process and make the most of your retirement savings.